Bismillah mon ender Pular English. You welcome in Pular English. Bandiraɓe windande men hande ko jangude verb to be woni wonde. I am mbeɗe, you are aɗa, he is omo taw ko gorko, she is omo taw ko debbo, it is eɗum walla engel, we are eɗen, you are oɗon, they are eɓe. ɗo wonno misal: I am happy, mbiɗa welti, you are nice, aɗa moƴƴi, he is great, mo fayodini, she is lovely, omo yiɗni, it is beautiful, eɗum yoɗi, we are tired, eɗen tampi, you are hungry, oɗon keyɗi, they are thirsty, eɓe ɗumɗi. ɗemgal ngal ne waɗi ko wiyete subject. ɗum koko jofoto neɗɗo o ko I, he, she, it, we, you, they. A verb. Verb ko konguɗɗi jofoto. Am, is, are. ene waɗi e ɗemgal he ko wiyete affirmative. Affirmative firata ko a. ene waɗi ko wiyete basic and should. Basic woni base halaka. I am, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. Should woni raɓɓikinade. I am, his, she's, its, we're, you're, they're. Negative form. Basic. I am not, he is not, she is not, it is not, we are not, you are not, they are not. Short. I'm not, he's not, walla he isn't, she's not, walla she isn't, it's not, walla it isn't, we're not, walla we aren't, you're not, walla you aren't, they are not, walla they aren't. Negative form o ene jogi façongaji tati taw I o ala hen. I am not on façongaji ɗiɗi waɗi. He, she, it waɗi ko façongaji tati. We, you, they waɗi ko façongaji tati. Gunɗi yeso majji ɗo ɗi. Alphabetical anglais: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you for watching, guys. Please share and subscribe, click the like button and comment below if you have any question. See you next time. Bye.